How to change your birthday on Pinterest. Hi guys, you may have entered incorrect details while creating your account and now you want to fix it. However, you may find that when you go to your account settings, you are unable to edit your birthday information or unable to locate it elsewhere. In this video, you'll learn how to edit your birthday information on Pinterest. Just like I mentioned earlier, we couldn't change our birthday info on desktop or laptop. That's because right now we can only edit our birthday by logging into Pinterest on a mobile device. So let's get our phones and open Pinterest, or if you don't have it, you can download it in Android or iOS. So what we can do is go to Profile, navigate Settings on the top right corner, select Settings, and then Personal Information. From here, we can now change our birthday information. If you enjoyed this video, consider giving the channel a subscription. It's free. And click on the like button. This helps the video reach people in need like you. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video.